Hello friends! In this video, we'll generate a SQL query with the help of AI that will help in budgeting and financial planning of an organization. Specifically, we'll focus on departmental budgeting. So you know every department has different size and different budget, so it's not possible to manage all of them equally. And also, every department has different costs in terms of salaries. We can easily calculate the budget by multiplying these two values. So this will give us the total salary cost of each department, and then we can allocate funds accordingly. So it's very important to understand how much each department is costing in terms of salaries. With the help of this query, you can easily find out the total salary cost of each department, and then you can plan accordingly for the next year or next quarter. So let's start. First of all, we need to figure out what is the size of our department. We can do this by using the employee count. So select the department name and the average salary from employees table and group by department name. So this will give us the total number of employees in each department and their average salary. So now we have the size of our department and the average salary. So this is how you can do departmental budgeting using SQL query.